Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 connection error. If you want to fix it, click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find, and then go to CMD, right click on it, run as administrator, yes, and now type ipconfig//dns, click enter, and then type netwinsock reset and click enter again, and after that restart your computer and then go to control panel, click view network status and tasks, and here you will find your connection. Click on it, click properties and then protocol internet version 4. Now use the following DNS server addresses and put those numbers here. Just copy my settings and click OK and then OK. Now your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.